Hi folks, it's Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com guides, and here we are in part 4 of our 6-part series on working with Windows Video Editor. We've got a nice little movie on our timeline here, and we can use it as is, but the program also comes with a couple of special effects if you'd like to add them. It's not a huge collection, but a couple of cool effects. And you'll find them right along the top of the timeline here. Speed, as you might guess, can be used to increase or decrease the speed of your movie. And you'll notice that as I change the speed, that the duration time of this video clip is going to change. So if I made it very fast, 8 times the speed, that our duration now is 1.5 seconds. I can make it slow too, and it goes pretty extreme. You can go down to 0.02, that's 1/50th speed, all the way up to 64 times speed. There are filters. Filters can add some color gradation to your movie, changing the entire mood of your movie, making it haunting, making it look colder, making it look warmer, or just adding a bizarre effect to it. I'm going to keep it as is right now. 3D effects are kind of cool. They're clip art that you can add over your movie. And there are both effects, for instance, add balloons over our movie. And you can see you can control them in 3D. Let's move that a little farther, play it a little farther in so you can see our balloons. And we can actually rotate those balloons in 3D space. The program also has a pretty large 3D library. So for instance, you can add a helicopter. We'll just drag that onto there. There's our helicopter. And now, let's move the balloons off to the side. Our helicopter also we can move in 3D space. And these 3D objects have some preset motions too. So if you go over here to quick animations, you can make that helicopter swing, for instance. And I'll just play that and show you what it looks like. Rotating around in space. Or you make it jump and turn or wobble or hop or whatever you'd like with these preset animations. They don't have a lot of control. You can't do any custom animations, but it is kind of cool if you just want to add another level to your movie. Let's cancel that without making those changes. And finally, there's motion. Now, motion will add a pan and zoom over your image. It's most effective, of course, on a photo. It helps bring a photo to life so that you haven't just got a still slide there, but you can see you can zoom into the center, zoom out to the center, zoom right, zoom left. But these are very subtle motions. I've tried them on some photos, and they're not very big motions. They're just very gentle movements, and there's no way to customize them or to make them go deeper or further away. But these can be very helpful. They're mostly of use in still photos. Like I say, if I use it right here on this video and then play the video, you're probably not even going to see the motion at all because the motion is very, very subtle. But it's a nice feature if you're creating a slideshow. And we'll once again leave that without making our changes. Now, not a huge library of effects, but some nice little effects you can add, just some flourishes to your movie. Now, in part 5, we're going to look at outputting our movie. And then in part 6, we'll take a look at using some of the automatic features that are built into the program. So I hope you'll stick with me for all 6 parts of basic training with Windows Video Editor.